Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi again, Franklin. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can be able to make money on a daily basis on Binance peer-to-peer trading. Yes, how you can be able to make money from Binance peer-to-peer trading every single day. All you just need to do right now is to stick to this very channel and see the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you, so you don't miss any single part, so that you can be able to try it out and get started and start earning for yourself. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Kelechi again, Franklin. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategy. Once they work, I come here, I share them with you. You also try the same and also get the same result. One thing you need to understand right now is that it is very, very possible for you to make money on Binance peer-to-peer trading, but have it at the back of your mind that it is not as easy as it sounds. It is not as easy as it sounds. Yes, I know why I say that, because a lot of you might be thinking that when they say that you can be able to make money on Binance peer-to-peer trading, that you just make it without doing anything. So it's not as easy as it sounds. All you just need to do is to understand how it works, what you need to do, how the step you need to follow, and what to do at every particular point in time. You don't need to do technical analysis for you to make profit on Binance peer-to-peer trading. That is why a lot of people see it as something very easy if you understand how it works. So it's very easy once you understand the strategy or what to do, because it does not require you to do all those technical analysis, fundamental, and many of that. So all you just need to do is to know the techniques, know when to buy, know when to sell it, and when to take your profit. So I'll be showing you that right now, so that you can be able to start earning too from it. So the very first thing you need to do right now when it comes to for you to do your Binance peer-to-peer trading is to go to your peer-to-peer aspect. And for you to do that, you just need to click on your peer-to-peer area. So this is my home screen, and as you can see here on my home screen, you can see that Binance peer-to-peer is already here. All I have to do is just to click it. But because of this video, for those of you who are new, who do not have this at the home screen, all you just need to do is to click on the wallet at the bottom aspect of your Binance homepage. You see wallet. Once you click on the wallet aspect, it will bring you to the very next page where you see overview, spot, funding, margin, and many others. So all you just need to do is to come here, you click on funding, or you can click it at the top up there. So right now, all I have to do is to click on funding. Once I click on funding, it will appear like this. You see peer-to-peer, pay, gift card, and pool. All you just need to do is to click on peer-to-peer aspect. Once you click on the peer-to-peer aspect, it will take you to the very next page where you can now start making your trade. So now, once you are in your peer-to-peer aspect, you will see the buy and the sell position. So for you to get started, the very first thing you need to do in order for you to get started is to change this particular currency to your own country currency. I am in Nigeria, that is why it's there. So assuming you are not in Nigeria and you want to put in your own country currency, all you just need to do is to click on that. All you just need to do next is to go to the search aspect, put in your country currency, if it is RAN, if it is Ghana cedis, all of that. If it's USD, all you just need to do is to click on it, and then you tap on it. It will now become your currency, and then it will take you back to the page here. It will appear at the top there. So once you have been able to put that, the next thing you need to understand is how all of these things work. Now if you look at this area here, you will see different merchants who are selling at different prices and all of that. Now it's good for you to take note of certain things in order before you start taking your trade. First, you need to understand that many of these merchants have made a lot of trade. If you look at this area, you see that this person has been able to make over 8,574 trade, and if you look at his completion rate, he has completed 98.40% completion rate. That means that this person is okay, and that is why if you look very well here, you see that this individual is verified. All of these individuals are verified. That's one aspect you need to look out for, and all of that. And another thing, you can also continue to look at other merchants to see how their completion rate, how many trades they have been able to take, and all of that. This will enable you to know that these individuals that you want to buy these currencies are legit and all of that. The same thing applies when you click on the sell aspect. Look at the people who are selling, confirm them. They are individuals like you and I who also come in here to buy and sell. So once you have been able to do this, you can be able to start proceeding to buy what you want. Now, another thing you need to have in mind when you want to buy is that you can decide to filter the amount in which you want to buy. If you want to use bank transfer and all of that, you can be able to set that once you click on this. So this is what you need to do right now. If you click on the filter aspect, it gives you the option for you to choose the amount in which you want to buy. Let me say I have 100,000 to buy. I'll just put in the 100,000 here, and then I will click on the payment method in which I want. Let me say I want to do bank transfer using my bank app. Then if I want to make the trade within outside the country, or I just want to focus on only my country, or United States or Ghana or Kenya or any country, I can decide to choose that here, and then once I click on set, it will now give me the particular amount, and it will be specific. You know, when you want to do something specifically, it will give you that opportunity to reach those individuals directly. So assuming I want to buy 100,000, it will only bring for me adverts of individuals who have 100,000 naira USDT to sell, and I will just buy from any individual who I see from that particular place. So all you just need to do is click on the confirm aspect after you must have said that, and you get started. So the next thing you need to do once it has appeared is for you to know what to do. Now you need to also have in mind that this is the price range in which this particular individual is selling. Person is selling at 720.74 naira, while Caleb is selling at 720.75. That's how different all these individuals are selling. You see different price range and all of that. So depending on the one you choose, it will determine how much you want to buy. Now let's take for instance that this individual is selling at 720.74, and I want to buy 50 USDT. How do I calculate it? How do I know the amount that I want? All I have to do is to bring in my calculator right now. Now this is my calculator right now. All I have to do is to put in the amount. The person is selling at 720.74, and I'll calculate it by 50 USDT that I want to buy, and as you can see, it has 36,037 naira. That is the amount I'll be able to use in buying 50 USD. The same thing applies when you want to buy 100, 200, 300 and all of that. Now with this amount in mind, all I have to do is to go into the trade or Binance and get started and making my payment. So you need to understand how all of these things work. So once you click on that buy aspect, now it gives you the option for you to be able to put in the amount in which you want. Now once I click on that and I just put in the amount here, let me say 36,037 naira, and as you can see here, it will give me this amount. This is what it will give me. It will now give me 50 USDT that I want to buy. So this is how you do it, and as you can see here, the next thing you need to do is just to click on buy aspect, and it will take you to where you can be able to buy. I'll leave the link on how you can be able to process and all of these things. I have done the video. I will leave the link in the description box so that you can be able to see how you can be able to buy and sell on this particular platform called Binance. Now another thing you need to understand when you want to make profit now is for you to sell. The same thing applies to when you want to sell. Remember, you want to sell, all you just need to do is to do the same thing. You just need to have it in mind that you sell at a price that is convenient for you. And I tell a lot of people, in order for you to get the best strategy when it comes to trading on Binance P2P, the strategy is that you buy it at the early stage when the price is at a low, so that when the price starts increasing, you can be able to sell to people who want to buy. Imagine you use the 36,000 naira for instance that you want to buy, and then you get started with it, you buy it, and then you all you just need to do is to set a price alert. So you setting a price alert will enable you to know how much you can be able to make on each particular trade that you are looking for. Now what do I mean? Now remember, you bought at 720 and you want to make profit. All you just need to do is to come here, you set a price alert in which will be able to help you to get the profit that you are looking for. Now remember, all you just need to do is to set it. You click on it. Once you click on it, you click on the sell aspect where you want to do the transaction. Once you click on the price alert, you can just click on it, and as you can see here, you can be able to set this particular amount on the current price that you want. So let me say that you want to set the price alert at 724 naira and 4 kobo. You setting this price alert will alert you whenever, even though you are not on the trade immediately, it will alert you in order for you to sell. Now remember, we bought at 720 and we want to sell at 724. That is what the amount we want to buy. All I have to do is to bring my calculator now. Now when I go back to my calculator now, all I have to do is to change the price, and I'm selling at 724 times 50, and as you can see here, I'll be making 200 naira on this particular trade. So all you just need to understand when it comes to trading on P2P is that The same way arbitrage works, that's the same way this peer-to-peer works. The higher your capital, the higher your profit. It simply means that because of the capital in which I use, this is why it's giving me this particular amount of money. Now imagine that I'm using a higher amount of money to make this particular transaction. Let me say I use 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira. The profit margin will be higher too. So the higher your capital, the higher your profit when it comes for you to make this particular profit on a daily basis on Binance Peer-to-Peer. All you just need to do is to start up with a good capital, and you'll be able to see that you make as much as you want. So imagine in a particular trade, let me say you use 100,000 and you are making 1,000 naira per profit. Now calculate 10 times of that particular 1,000 naira. You see that you're making around 10,000 naira every single day on Binance Peer-to-Peer. So the strategy is you buy at a lower price, you sell at a higher price. You buy at a lower price, you sell at. It might require you to wait for some hours in order for you to get your price alert or that particular trade in order for you to make the profit that you are looking for. This is how you can be able to make profit on Binance Peer-to-Peer trading. So I believe that you got value from all I just said here. If you have any question, you have something bothering you, all you just need to do is go to the comment section, leave your questions there. I will be able to interact with you, and I promise to give you the favorable reply that you're looking for in order for you to get started. I'll also leave the link to the videos I mentioned on this particular video on the description of this video. All you just need to do is to click on it, and so that you can be able to get a step-by-step guide on how to do all that I just mentioned. So that's it on this particular video, guys. I trust you got value. All you just need to do right now is to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification as well. You subscribing is one way for you to show your boy some love, so that I'll be able to do more videos like this and all of that. As I see you on my next video, stay safe. Peace.